Okay, so this is the new SprayMate Tornado. It's a 4-gallon, 18-volt battery dual pump, dual pressure backpack sprayer. And SprayMate is made by the folks over at FlowZone. For new this year is the SprayMate line, and what these are intended for the homeowner DIYer. So not quite the FlowZone commercial grade expense. These cost quite a bit less. But the folks over at SprayMate were nice enough to send me this, let you know what I think, and we'll go from there. Now, obviously, I've never used this, so I'm not really going to do a review today, but we'll unbox it, put it together, and give you my initial thoughts. So hold on just a second. All right, so opening this up, right on the top is an operation guide, which, we'll go over that later. Who reads these anyways, right? And then I see here, I would think this is a battery charger. Yep, battery charger. Or the cord for it. This is the battery. The handle for the wand, straps, sprayer, and the rest of the wand. Okay, so I put the battery on the charger, so if the weather cooperates, we'll give this thing a quick test run. But inside the cap here is like your holster, upper and lower holsters. And you get two nozzles with it. One's an adjustable cone spray, and the other one's a 110-degree fan sprayer. And then the mounting hardware is also in here, so don't lose this. And of course it comes with the strainer, and the battery goes in the back here. Like you just open that up, slide it in, close it. Seems to lock pretty tight. So when we get to that point, we'll try that out. It includes the 5-foot hose. But the first thing we want to do is put the mounts on. Okay, next we're going to put the wand together. So I don't know if you noticed that. What's really cool on this handle, if you just want to hold it down, you don't want to sit here and fight it and hold it for whoever. It's got a little lock mechanism in there, and then it's locked down to just spray. Pretty neat. This is carbon fiber handle, and it's not uncomfortable. So anxious to use this and see how well it works here. And of course this end Just it's got a gasket in there already, and just thread that on. So like I said, this is a dual pressure sprayer. It's 40 or 60 pounds. And the power switch here, one is for the 40 pounds off, and then back to 60 pounds. So kind of a nice feature there. Next thing I'm going to do is put the back straps on. These seem really cushioned. I don't know how comfortable they're going to be. We'll find out. Like I said, you have two options to put these on, either in the lower spot, which would, or up here. Kind of just depends on whichever is more comfortable for you. I think I'm going to try these lower ones first, and then if I have to, just move them up here. Very tight. Then for the bottom, they have these really nifty clips, and they just go down under here. It does have a chest strap too that you can adjust. It just kind of wraps around the front. So there you go. It is 4 gallons, really clearly marked on the front here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then there's half-gallon marks in between. Real easy to see. And let's let the battery charge, and we'll test it out. Alright, so I just have the adjustable nozzle tip on here for now, and I've got it on the 40 psi setting. I'm just kind of curious how far it reaches. That's probably about 20 feet. That's pretty impressive. Let's see if I can bump it up to the 60 and see what it does here. So that's pretty cool. Even at 60, it's reaching about 20, 25 feet. Not bad at all. And this tip's kind of neat. I don't know how well you can see this here, but you can adjust it to kind of fan out and cone. A little misty. Really cool. It's just water, so not hurting nothing. Definitely puts out some power. Curious how far this can reach. Let's see if this can reach up there. Oh, yeah. That's friggin' awesome. So I put the 110-degree fan nozzle on here, and pretty impressive. That's the I believe that's the low pressure. That's the low pressure. Oh, how well you can see that. That's the 40 psi. And the 60. If I had to guess, I'd say it probably sprays, I don't know, 6 feet across. So I'm not really going to use this per se today. It's still kind of cold. A little early to be putting anything out on the lawn, but I just kind of wanted to get this opened up, put together, ready to go. Before I give a real honest review on it, I'd rather use it several times. So for the price point, initially, I would say it's probably worth it. These start at about $150, whereas the Cyclone's about $240. and I believe the Typhoon is oh, I'll put it down here. I don't remember. I think it's about 260 bucks or something like that, 280. Anyway, I'm definitely going to get some use out of this thing, and a few weeks I'll give you a better review on it and tell you what I think. One thing I did do is check to see if the T-Jet nozzles fit on here, and they certainly do, easily. No adapter needed. They work. So I'll probably be using this 110 as well as a couple T-Jet nozzles I use. And real excited for this. I'm anxious to get away from the ortho dial and spray, and then of course you can use backpack sprayers for quite a few different things, herbicides and insecticides and whatnot. So I'm excited to use this. It'll be really cool. If you want more information on it, I'll leave a couple links in the description down below, including the SprayMate's website and a link to Amazon if you want to buy it ahead of time and try it out. I mean, I'm not going to say don't. I'm not going to say, yeah, 100% it's well worth it just yet either, but I would say it's probably a good value at only 150 bucks. If you have any questions or anything, leave me in the comment in the description below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next video.